I'm Sergio Nodone. I've been asked to tell you how I would taste wine. It's very simple. When you taste wine, the first thing that it doesn't come obvious to you, but it's the obvious thing, is to spit. If you are a professional taster, you don't have to drink. It can happen in the future that you're going to taste 60, 70, 80 wines in a day or even more. That's one of the reasons why you don't have to drink, is to keep your performances alive. Secondly, it's for health reasons. So the first thing is that you have to look at the color of the wine, and it's very important mentally to follow the color when you taste wine, because normally the aromas that the wine expresses are coherent with the color of the wine that you are tasting. Secondly, you have to smell it. And smell, it's the most important sense for tasting a wine. Then you take your glass and you try with the nose your wine still, like that. Then you shake it. You don't need to shake it for hours. You shake it only 3-4 times. But it's more important to see the difference. How the wine tastes when it stands still, and how the wine tastes after it's been shaken. So you detect your aromas, you think what you have, if it corresponds to the color, and the last part is the mouth. You put it in your mouth, you rinse it for a few seconds on the gums, and then you spit it. This is key to understand the quality of a wine, because the most important criteria and feature that the wine has to have is balance. You can have a super intense wine, you can have a super complex wine, but it's most important that all the dimensions of the wine are coherent. So intensity, complexity, persistency, balance. These are factors that are extremely important for the dimension of the wine. If you have, for instance, a wine that has a great intensity but little complexity, possibly it means that the wine is lacking of balance. So balance means that all the dimensions of the wine, so visual, nose and mouth, are coherent among each other. These are the things that I can tell you about wine tasting at a glance. Of course, you can get in depth of it with time and with training and with experience, but remain all the time simple. And if you have to detect aromas and to describe aromas in a wine, please don't go beyond 5. Just stick to maximum 5 aromas. Don't be too baroque. I thank you.